Today we are making rock cakes. These are the ingredients you need.
So first of all, we need 200 grams of self-raising flour. Pinch of salt, and then sieve it through. You want 75 grams of margarine. And all we do then is mix it in. So it should look like this. So then we want to add 75 grams of sugar and 75 grams of sultanas, and then just stir that in. Give the egg a little beat. Then pour it into the mixture. Just give it a stir. And then you want to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Yeah, that looks great. But I only needed 1, so we'll go with 1. You need a lined tray with baking paper, and all you want to do is get a nice lump like that. Don't smooth it, just put it down. Like this will make 6. And brush a little bit of egg wash on top of them. And just sprinkle some sugar on top. So put these into the oven at 220 Celsius for 15 minutes.
So there you go, guys. That is how you make rock cakes. Now I hope you enjoy, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, leave a comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching.